Hello and welcome to a new morning briefing presented by Stein Investments. I'm happy to be back from vacation and back with you and our trading charts. And during my free time, I thought about a new video concept. So the last videos have been very much about AI trading, and so I unfortunately lost a bit of connection to our manual traders, and I apologize for that. And I'd like to fill this gap and provide a mix of both in the future because they complement each other. So we'll do manual market analysis or human market analysis as we've done in our morning briefings in the past, where you'll find also a huge playlist here on our YouTube channel. And we'll also do some AI analysis and maybe even develop new strategies with AI, because the possibilities with these tools are simply overwhelming and almost endless, and I'm always amazed to see what's going on in our Easy Insight chat group and what people are doing around this tool. And so it's definitely interesting and a topic of its own, but the majority of users is still trading with indicators and chart, and we fully understand that. And our goal is to simplify your market analysis as much as possible. And to do so, I'd just like to tell you why I didn't trade yesterday, for example, or even not today at all. And the main reason is this flat line in the total trading volume, which means there is absolutely zero interest from the retail trading side. And this interest is always an indication of market activity and great moves. And I'll show you an example I've witnessed yesterday in the evening, unfortunately past my usual trading times. I just returned from sports and then I noticed, hey, there was a notification from FX volume that the total volume rose. And you see it here, it was a huge move to the upside, and it was driven by a rising interest in new positions on the euro, and the interest was to short the euro. Please keep in mind that we always monitor this information from the broker side. So what you see here on this chart is what's going on in the market. And you see it's perfectly in line with the FX power strength or weakness of the euro in this case. So there has been an interest in new trading positions. This interest was driven by a new interest in euro positions, and the short side was favored by the institutional side, because if we see this dropping, then we know the retailers are buying the euro, and because we see the opposite side of this trade, we know the down move is pretty sure, and that's what we see here with the euro that is weak for several hours until it recovered at least a bit. And that's what we see here in the euro US dollar chart as well. That was this amazing move, and these moves, that's exactly what we want to see. Here it's a bit clearer. There you see an amazing weakness. To simplify it, I just use one FX power instance here with the 8 hours analysis we have in our overview here as well. You see it here, we use here an 8 hours analysis. I do this because I want to see what happened during an entire trading session. So if I start my trading day during the London session, I want to know what happened during the Asian session. And for that, an 8 hour analysis is definitely perfect, because it covers 8 hours of market data, and then I see what's going on here. And you see Euro USD, it's self-explaining. Euro Japanese yen, same story. Euro against the New Zealand dollar, against the Aussie dollar. So if you be able to catch a volume-driven trend, you almost can't lose. It's definitely almost impossible, but you need to see and check which is the currency that gains the most interest. And so we pick only those that are here, the highest or the lowest or whatever. We don't care about this one. What's going on here is just a result of the interest in this single currency. All the other moves are just a side note, because of course if you want to short the euro against other currencies, there will be movements in other currencies as well. And this is a perfect trade example. Unfortunately a bit too late for me, and so I missed that one. And just to see what was going on the entire day during the Asian session, then the London session, the volume dropped the entire day until the New York afternoon session. Then the interest from the retail trading side came. And you see as well, there has been no serious trend at all. No direction, nothing clear. Gold was moving a bit to the downside, then a bit to the upside, then again to the downside. And you see the same here. There is no clear trend at all. So if the total volume does not rise, it's not worth to have a closer look at the market. And you can easily set an alert here in FX volume. It's down here, alert on total volume. Here can you set enable on rises, set to true. I usually use 0.5, and then you get an alert message here as pop-up, or you can also enable mobile notifications, and then you'll get the information to your iPhone or Android device, and then you know exactly when it's worth to have a closer look at the market. And without this trigger, it's not worth it. And it's the same here for today. I didn't use any AI analysis so far. I didn't check for trading opportunities. And it's perfectly right, because you see there is no trend at all. It's just a mix of spaghetti lines, and so we can drop that. So all you need is this single chart overview. That's all you need to determine when to trade and what to trade. You need nothing else. And if you like to get this template, then I recommend visiting our Welcome at Stein Investments page here, and you'll find all the trading systems we provide, all the tools we provide, and at the bottom of this article you'll find zip files for MT4 and MT5, which contain the morning briefing templates I used for the morning briefings I recorded in the past. And there you will also find this volume power overview, which is essential for this analysis chart. Last but not least, as you know, $30 is the new standard here at Stein Investments. You can get all our tools at $30 to give it a try, to check it out if it's worth it, and to simplify the entire procedure. And because we know most of you prefer to purchase a full license, we enabled all the purchase options this morning as well, so you can now just immediately decide whether to purchase the full license or go with the $30 rent model to give it a try on your live trading charts. And we are pretty sure you will recover your investment quickly. That said, I wish you a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one.